In the graph below, the solid line represents the absolute value of x. Which of the following equations is that of the graph represented with a dashed line? So it looks like a transformation, and it looks like we reflected over the x-axis. So we do that by putting a negative outside. So the reflection by itself would be y equals negative absolute value of x. Okay, and then it looks like we also shifted the whole thing left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We shifted the whole thing left 6 units. So left and right shifts happen inside the function, and it's the opposite operation of what you think it would be. So we're going to end up with y equals, put a negative outside for the reflection, and to go left 6, I'm going to do plus 6 inside the function, inside the absolute value. So that is option C.